meet Sarah, a bright and ambitious individual with a burning desire to change her life's trajectory. As she embarked on her quest for a coding bootcamp, she found herself on a crossroads, bombarded with countless options and overwhelming advices. The weight of the decision weighed heavily on her. Caught between fear and determination, Sarah embarked on a soul-searching journey, meticulously researching and comparing various coding bootcamps. Hours turned into days as she sighted through countless reviews and testimonials, seeking the perfect bootcamp, but couldn't find any solution to her problem. Well, if you can connect yourself with Sarah and you are also confused and thinking how to choose a coding bootcamp, then you are in the right place. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the right way to choose a coding bootcamp. But before we begin, if you enjoy watching these videos and find them interesting, please subscribe to our channel because we bring the best videos for you daily. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop a new video. So let's have a look at the agenda for this video. We'll start this video with an introduction to a bootcamp. Following that, we'll see the advantages of a bootcamp. We'll then talk about the points to consider while choosing a bootcamp. And towards the end, we'll also give you the solution to your problem by providing you with a great option, so don't miss the end. So let's start with what is a bootcamp. A coding bootcamp is an intensive, short-term training program that immerses you in coding and programming. It focuses on practical skills, real-world applications, and rapid skill development. You learn from experienced instructors, work on coding challenges and projects, and build a portfolio. Bootcamps provide a supportive community, networking opportunities, and career support to help you launch or advance your career in software development. It's a power-up for your coding skills, compressing months of learning into a complete experience. So let's see the advantages of a bootcamp. Affordability. Compared to a traditional college degree, coding bootcamps are a more cost-effective option. Job placement support. Most bootcamps assist with finding employment, providing valuable assets during your job search. Rapid skill acquisition. In a short time, bootcamps equip you with an in-demand skills, accelerating your path to relevant employment. No degree requirement. While not always necessary, having a college degree can offer a broader understanding of the subject matter. Versatile training. Bootcamps offer comprehensive instruction, enabling you to gain diverse skills that make you highly desirable to employers. Now we'll discuss how to choose a coding bootcamp. A lot of things one should remember while choosing a coding bootcamp, like curriculum. Review the curriculum to ensure it covers the programming languages, frameworks, and skills you want to learn. Teaching approach. Understand the teaching methods such as lectures, hands-on projects, and mentorship. Find a style that aligns with your learning preferences. Reviews and reputation. Read reviews and testimonials from past students to gauge their experiences and success rates. Consider the reputation of the bootcamp and its instructors. Alumni outcomes. Look into the job placement rates and success stories of the bootcamp's alumni. This can give you an idea of the career opportunities and outcomes you can expect. Duration and schedule. Consider the duration and schedule of the bootcamp to ensure it fits your availability and learning pace. Support and resources. Check if the bootcamp provides support services like career guidance, job placement assistance, and access to resources such as coding libraries and tools. Cost and financing. Evaluate the cost of the bootcamp and whether financing options, scholarships, or income share agreements are available or not. Accreditation and industry recognition. Consider whether the bootcamp is accredited or recognized by industry associations, as this can lend credibility to your training. By carefully considering these factors, you can find a coding bootcamp that suits your learning style, goals, and budget, setting you up for success in your coding journey. And as I told you earlier, we'll help you find the answer to how to choose a coding bootcamp. Well, that's a wrap on how to choose a coding bootcamp. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. By now, you should understand how to choose a coding bootcamp. If you're interested in learning more about different technologies, plenty of resources are available at Simplilearn. You can also check out our website for more information on various certifications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.